Hi, my name is Chris Freeman, and today we'll be talking about the ABCs of intergroup relations. Each person in the world today holds some sort of biases towards a group of people or belief systems. These biases have two different natures to them. The first being explicit biases. These are conscious beliefs, feelings, and behavior that people are perfectly willing to admit, which express hostility towards other groups or build other groups up. The other type of bias is implicit bias, which is unexamined and sometimes unconscious. These are automatic, but nonetheless biased, unfair, and disrespectful beliefs towards equality. When focusing on racism and discrimination, there are three categories of biases that have an effect on how we view and recognize a person or group of people. We categorize these as the ABCs. The A in the ABCs is affect or prejudice. This refers to the emotional component of intergroup relations. It is the feeling or attitude one has towards members of another group. These can be positive or negative. An example of this would include the discrimination and violence against Asian Americans because of the COVID-19 pandemic. The B in ABCs is behavior or discrimination. This refers to actions or practices that unfairly disadvantage members of a particular group. An example of this would be black homeowners are disproportionately denied home loans compared to white homeowners with similar credit scores. Finally, the C in the ABCs is cognition or stereotypes. This refers to the beliefs or generalizations about a particular group. These can be positive or negative, but can have significant consequences. An example of this would be people with disabilities and saying that they are helpless and dependent. Learning our ABCs is very important to understand our potential biases and how to redirect them into positive thinking and judgments.